ये soliloquy जो है हमारा एक exhibition है focusing on the queer diversity, LGBT diversity. इनका जो whole idea जो है concept जो है obviously हमारा curator रोबिक जी इनका आइडिया है और हम लोगों ने मिल करके पीपल स्टेशन मिल करके सोचा कि अरुणाचल में भी प्राइड मंथ मनाना चाहिए। तो जून को जो है पूरा दुनिया में प्राइड मंथ मनाता है, तो हम लोग ने सोचा हम अपने तरफ से अपने स्टाइल में प्राइड मंथ मनाएंगे। तो वी केम अप विद दिस आइडिया soliloquy, जहाँ पे वी गॉट सबमिशन फ्रॉम न्यूयॉर्क, वी गॉट सबमिशन फ्रॉम मणिपुर एंड मेनी अदर स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया। एंड हमारा अपना लोकल्स का भी है, आप तो देखे ही होंगे वो सबका। एंड आवर मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव जो है हमारा ये कि हम यहाँ पे हमारा जो विजिबिलिटी है और हमारा जो एक्सप्रेशन है ऐसे गे मैन या कोई भी इवन स्ट्रेट पर्सन, तो हम उसको अपना सेक्सुअलिटी उसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, हमारा कहानी को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, दिस इज़ आवर वे ऑफ सेलिब्रेटिंग प्राइड मंथ। तो यही था हमारा आइडिया इसके बिहाइंड।
कैन यू टेल आवर व्यूअर्स व्हाट इज दिस प्राइड मंथ, बिकॉज सबको पता नहीं है प्राइड मंथ क्यों मनाया जाता है, क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है इसका?
तो बेसिकली मैं बहुत बेसिक वे में बोलूँगा। टी जॉनसन का जो नाम है, शी वॉज अ ट्रांस वुमेन एंड अलोंग विद दैट बहुत सारे जो केम फ्रॉम अमेरिका ओनली, वहाँ पे जो पहला क्वेयर मूवमेंट शुरू हुआ था तो जून के महीना में, तो उसी चीज़ को हम लोग जो है फॉलो कर रहे हैं एंड ये पूरा दुनिया में मनाया जाता है। तो हम भी सोचा कि हम भी मना लें, उसी के आइडिया से हम लोग जो है कर रहे हैं ये इवेंट।
इसका कंसेप्ट soliloquy का थोड़ा कंसेप्ट कैसे आया, थोड़ा सा डिटेल्स में जानना चाहिए।
Yes, thank you for the question. So first of all, I've been associated with Epic Queer Station for about 2 years now. I've been associated with them as an ally. My research also focuses on queerness. So since this time we were discussing about what we could do for for Pride Month, and then I came up with the idea of an exhibition because this is something that I feel very passionately about. And then there was a lot of discussion we had, and then ultimately we came to this current title, which is Soliloquy, celebrating queer diversity. That's our theme. So basically the idea is to celebrate the diversity that is within the queer community, because and what I wanted to do with this concept was to highlight the diversity, not in terms of us being different in terms of a boy and a girl, in terms of a doctor and a nurse, whatever, but in terms of political lens. I wanted to bring in the lens of marginality into play here. So which is why I have not mentioned this in the concept, not directly, but I wanted to push more for Northeastern representation of queerness in the mainstream media. If not the mainstream media, at least the Arunachali scene of the media. That's what I wanted to do. I also wanted to bring in the dimension of caste, because that's what I feel. I kind of feel passionately about. This could not happen. We did not get enough submissions from those areas. So in the exhibition you wouldn't see any caste angle. But then what we've tried to do is push for Northeastern representation. And I think we have been more or less successful in doing that. We have gotten submissions from all the Northeastern states. And we have submissions from Germany, we have submissions from UK, and those are also, some of them have their descents in Meghalaya and Mizoram. So I feel like all in all, if you go around the room, you can see diversity, and that's what we wanted to push for. That's all.
Can you tell us what is the significance of the word soliloquy? Why did you come up with this title for your art exhibition?
So initially we had thought of the word spectrum expressing queer diversity. But then after a lot of discussions with the team, we came to the conclusion that spectrum is sort of a word that is used a lot when it comes to diversity, when it comes to queerness. And then one day at night around 3 a.m. I had this word suddenly came to my mind, soliloquy, which basically means to have an inner dialogue, inner monologue with your own self. So with this is more like, although this is open for the public, but this exhibition is more like for our own selves, not for myself, for like each one of you. It's for your own selves. It's for you to come and introspect what you feel, and it's for you to discover new things. It's a dialogue with your own self, It's something that you discover here when you come here, and you learn about it. It's a dialogue you create within and with people. So that was the reason why I chose the title Soliloquy.